The Seagulls stole our salmon, but I think they dropped it when they saw Nathan coming. Tommy hooked the fish and Nathan landed it all by yourselves. All right, there you go. Nice little pink salmon. Put a little coarse salt on him. Blob of butter right there. So I got that salmon stuffed with butter and brown sugar, seasoned with salt, and wrapped in tin foil. Do you guys want salmon or hot dogs?
Hot dog.
Well, let's cut you some hot dog sticks.
I'm pretty sure the same plain steak.
There we go, fresh salmon, blueberries, and sweet cornbread. I love the flavor of blueberries and salmon.